I've been around food my whole life. I've always been into cooking. In lower school at Country Day, I did my first ever cooking demo and I made guacamole for the whole class, brought a big bag of chips. The kids loved it. Being a chef is one of the coolest jobs. To start with raw ingredients completely from scratch and create a complete dish, put it in front of someone. Man, that is so much fun to see the look on someone's face when you made their night. Everybody likes to eat and drink something. I just get to make people happy.